this is a massive achievement in the second test. Without Bumrah, how do you see this?
Well, I think it's a tremendous achievement. As I always maintained that, the talent in India is it's too much. Like even I think if you see in England, there are the women's team also is playing, and the under-19 team is also playing. So I think all the teams are doing well. And I think yesterday's performance was outstanding. I think England were totally outplayed, because they had nothing going their way. But our bowlers made sure that they did not bat well. And I think how much of runs you score, give for the opposition to score to win. But I think at the end of the day, you have to take 20 wickets, which exactly and precisely the bowlers have done. All the bowlers really did well, and a special congratulations to, the team has won as a whole unit, but I think there are some very good individual performances. Gill, outstanding batting. I think England, the country of England, were really loved the way he batted, and I think exceptional bowling performance in the first inning by Siraj, and I think the fielding was good also. At the end of the day, we didn't drop many catches, but must congratulate Akashji for his, tremendous effort. I think he gave in everything, and then he bowled with a lot of confidence, and he bowled with a lot of common sense, and then backed by the spinners, and then we cannot forget Prasidh Krishna also. He really bowled well also. He kept the batsman in check.
So you previously had said that, over-reliance on Bumrah might not be the right thing, and now we've seen 6 wickets by Siraj and 10 wickets combined both the innings from Akashji.
Yes.
How do you see the talent potential?
No, as I've always maintained that we had always very good bowlers, because if you see, in the under-19 side also there are some very good bowlers, and there are some bowlers who are benched, who are already here in India. Anybody can get a chance, Shami is also not gone because, there are more talented players, So I think there is no dearth of talent, but and the talent is also performing because they are pushing the players who are in the side. That if you don't do well, I'm here. I can come in. So that augurs very well for the Indian team, and I think the other day under-19 also, the Suryavanshi, that boy also, he really batted well, and I think he got some 50 ball 100 or something like that. I was given to understand, I read it, but it'll be a good experience for those young guys also. And I saw them watching the game also. It was very nice. You can learn, because by playing you can learn a little bit, but then by watching you can learn a lot.
So you must have a lot of words for Mr. Shubman Gill. Consecutive centuries
yes, of course.
Innings in the last match as well, though we lost, but this match also he has scored a record 265 runs. And again, the only Indian captain to score that much, and he is the only Indian player to score that much against England.
No,
how do you see that?
That's good, Consistency is the main thing for a batsman and for a bowler also. Whoever is playing, you have to be consistent. If you have to play for 15 years or 16 years or 20 years, you have to have that consistency, which I think Gill is proving every time he plays, whether it's a one-day game or a T20 game or a test match, I think he's proving himself very well, and I think his last 300s have been outstanding hundreds, because if you see, like when he came into bat in the first inning, I think he's a very attacking player, but if you see, like he got 10 runs or something in some 48 or 58 balls, maybe on another day in 48 balls he will be 34 or something like that. He's an attacking batsman, but I think he really played according to the situation, and even in the second innings also, the team demanded him to play in a long way, that he stayed at the wicket for a long time, and then he got that 160. So I think outstanding batting, I sincerely hope and pray that he continues to do that all the time.
Last question, you're a Hyderabadi, and Mr. Siraj 6 wickets in both the innings. Do you think he made well use of the opportunity he got?
No, I think he's always been a very big heart bowler. He gives everything on the field. With him, effort is not the criteria, but I think he really 6 wickets in the first inning, and then an outstanding catch. I love seeing catches like that, and being a bowler after bowling with a spell and fielding close in and taking that catch. I think it proves that he's a big team man.